it looks like they're putting in an infinity pool. Not an infinity pool, but certainly a zero entry pool from either side. It's going to be very nice. Headed into La Romana. Should be loads of fun. Melissa's got her neck fan and sunglasses, and
because it's been hot.
she is the queen tourist today.
Oh, I'm sorry.
She likes walking on my feet too.
Usually you're the one walking on mine, so.
Well, you know. So we're gonna see what we can do. Before we get off the boat though, I think we're gonna do a little tour of the warehouse, just to give a little more time for people to clear out, let the lines get shorter, so. Oh gosh, we're gonna have to try that. So cool. Oh, skee ball. Beanbag toss. Here's skee ball. Here you go. So this is Melissa's jam.
All right.
Oh,
Just
God.
select.
Oh, can you see what I'm doing?
Yep, I can watch the screen behind you.
Oh, dear Lord. Oh, jeez. Oh, dear Lord. Oh. Oh, gosh. It feels like you're really moving. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, gosh. Oh, son. It's like getting a workout. Oh, God. Oh, ouch. I'm on fire. Oh, God. I'm on fire. Oh, no, I'm not on fire anymore. What are we doing? Oh, it's like I'm on a roller coaster. Oh. Oh, the heck was that? Oh, they're smashing. Oh, it's a big bunny. Oh, what am I doing now? Oh, I'm getting it. Oh. What the heck? Oh. Come on. Oh. I need a gun. Oh, I don't know what this is. Oh, you got a gun now. Shoot him.
Game over.
All right.
I think we're going this way, maybe. If Sam and Josh were here, they
Well, hey, fun fam. So today was La Romana, Dominican Republic. We did, well, almost nothing.
We did a little bit of shopping.
A little bit of shopping. Roamed around, took some video around the port. It was kind of fun. It was humid, really humid.
Yeah.
Especially after being on Aruba and Curacao. But it was just a chill day. We came back to the boat, had some lunch, took a little nap. Well, I did.
You took a nap.
And well, now we're going to dinner and some fun this evening. So.
All right, look at those moves. Look at the best moves I got. Miro.